So this is just going to be a quick walkthrough of our machine shop, Superior Technology. It's Saturday, so there isn't very much stuff that's actually running right now, but I figured it'd be a good time to do a quick walkthrough just to show you what we got going on here. We built this building in 1997. This is actually the second building, and we moved from in the city of Rochester to here. So you walk into the lobby, little screen, some demo parts, and into the offices. Pretty typical office space. Our engineering room, more offices. Just got the floor redone last year. And as we keep going, we have our full kitchen. Being Italian, tend to cook. My dad and uncle's offices and our conference room. So as we walk out into the shop, when we first built this building in 1997, the shop actually ended at that wall over there. And about 4 years ago, we put on the 42,000 square foot addition, which is the other side that I'll show you. But this is our mill department. A lot of old, a lot of new. This was actually one of our first machines we ever bought when we first moved into this space. Unfortunately, it needs new motors for all the drives and everything. Some robo drills. Our new Mazak we just got a couple months back. Same thing here, older Matsura we got when we first moved in. A Kia pallet change machine. And another exact replica of that Matsura. We have here another VCN Mazak we bought a couple years back. An old Hardinge 1000 and some more robo drills. The mezzanine upstairs is mainly for storing fixtures, extra tooling, extra material, that sort of thing. A lot of our business involves rail transportation, so we do quite a large quantity of discs, which I'll show you on the other side of the building. These are just being roughed out and fly cut at the current moment. As we walk around, this is our main tool crib, our MSC vending system. Vidmars that have all our drills, taps, inserts for turning, our collets, and all the major tools that you usually use. We have a lot of old Hardinge GT and Swiss machines that we've also had for quite a long time, but still make good parts, so no reason to get rid of them yet. Got some more older Hardinge lathes. Doosan lathe, Hardinge Conquest, Mazak Quick Turn 200 MSY that we just got earlier this year, a Mori. As you can see, we got quite the assortment of machines. And our Citizen Miano BNX that we just bought a couple months ago actually. So as we keep moving through, we have an old Matsura horizontal, a newer Kiwa, and a Whaley Toyota large vertical mill. Mainly runs these little parts right here. So as we continue through what was our old building, we have the saw area. This is where all the stock comes in and stays until it gets cut up. New Toda coolant. And our majority of our full scrap bins. So as we walk through where the new addition was put on, shipping receiving desk, all these crates are full of different size train rotors. We have all different sizes. We have Doosan Puma 900 vertical lathe, turning these 36-inch rotors. We do bearing housings for also trains on our Mazak 8800 horizontal mill. And then more rotors and our Mazak Palatech system that we bought 4 years ago. We have a Washian vertical lathe, another 900 and another 900. 2 Kia horizontal lathes. Two Doosan vertical lathes. Another Washian, also turning rotors. And a Mazak 6800 horizontal. This is our main turning cell for all of our brake rotors that we do. So as we walk over here, this is where our assembly and balancing is. They assemble all the disc components together. Then they get balanced. As you can see, we do all different sizes, from small ones to a little larger, thicker. A magnetic particle inspection machine to check for cracks in the castings. And all the way up to extremely large discs. These are cast steel. Our Mazak 5000, this is kind of my area that I've taken over for my programming. As we continue to move through here, some older Akuma lathes, Mitsubishi vertical mills, twin spindle Akuma. Moving down, wheels, drill presses, microscope. We have 2 vibratory tumblers, 3 sandblasters. And then we're moving over to our grinding area. We've got 4 grinders currently, 2 that are for sale. More rotors. Time saver, honing machines, broaching. This is our maintenance area with the spindle out of our Makino, actually. Our shipping and packaging area. This is where we send out all our finished parts and hold all our inventory. And as we head upstairs, we have the final portion of what we added on, which was our new cafeteria, complete with fridges, microwaves. So that was a quick walkthrough tour of Superior Technology in Rochester, New York. Thank you for watching.